Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bonk, which in general I wanted to cover. I know quite a lot of you are still interested in this, but apart from that, I also covered this yesterday. Yesterday we talked about a potential bullish breakout. We got the breakout personally, and also in the Signal group. We entered the trade on this. Already took some profit, so it's risk-free, but just in general, I do still think that there's bullish momentum for Bonk. And bullish potential for Bonk. That's more accurate. Now, that does mean that I'm still in a position for Bonk, all right? I entered long right here after this breakout, which is also what we talked about in the video yesterday. So if you watched the video and you applied that to your chart, you could have taken that as well. But that does mean that I'm still in a position, all right? So maybe I am a little bit biased. That could be. I always try to be objective, but who knows? So you should know that, but for now, let's get right into Bonk. So the main thing is, and I'm covering this after I covered Pepe, for a very clear reason, and that is that the setup right now for Bonk and for Pepe is basically the same. All right, so what we see right now is that Bonk had a ton of momentum right here. And then what we were wondering is, all right, well, we had a short-term bearish structure right here. And we wondered, is that actually a reversal, right? So that this was the top and that from here we're going to be bearish, or is this some sort of a bullish flag, which will just result into another bullish momentum move? And so far, after that, getting that bullish breakout, it looks like the latter. All right, at this moment, I would say purely technically, Bonk after getting that breakout is actually very bullish. Now, if you look at the momentum, for example, for Bonk, that is going up as well, so I would say that's positive as well. But compared to how much momentum we had a couple of weeks back, it's or 1.5 weeks ago, it's not that strong. All right, so I do think that Bonk at this moment is much more bullish than bearish, but I don't think it's all said and done. All right, ultimately, the main thing we have to watch, and the main thing that I think this depends on, is still the market. All right, Bitcoin has gained quite a lot of momentum in the last, 36 hours or so. But to really see a bullish Bonk and to really see it get back up to 29,000 here, and potentially, even though I think that's going to be very, very hard, but potentially break above that to rally up to 34,000, the only way we can do that is if Bitcoin continues this bullish momentum. All right, so if that does not happen, we're not going to see such a bullish Bonk. At this moment, like I said, momentum is increasing. We got a big bullish breakout right here, and we're not losing that much momentum, even though there's quite a lot of resistance right here in this area. So I am bullish on Bonk, but I do want you, if you want to enter a position from these areas, I would be a bit careful, all right? Because what I think is most likely right now is that we will move up into 27,500, into 29,000, but I do not think we can break above that. Like I said, for that we would need much more bullish momentum in the markets, and it is possible that we get that, so you should monitor that and you should watch it, but it's not the case right now, and I also don't think with the current fundamentals it's most likely. No, I think it's most likely that we'll find resistance there and that will drop back down towards 25 and 24,000 to set up some sort of a consolidation. All right, so that's what I think you need to know. In general, like I said, the momentum that Bitcoin has is one of the foundations for the momentum that Bonk has. So if Bitcoin drops down from here, Bonk will drop down as well and will just consolidate. I don't really see Bonk turning bearish very, very quickly. But I can very quickly see it lose its momentum. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.